Many folks don't know that one of the top OEM fabricators in the United States today is nestled right here in Western Pennsylvania.
A lot of people don't understand what goes into manufacturing, OEM parts, the quality that's expected out of the customers and out of the suppliers. When you come into a place like this, quality is set very high.
We work on complex parts and assemblies for equipment manufacturers across heavy industries like construction, mining, oil and gas, material handling, and transportation, and are constantly looking for the talent, both new and seasoned, to help us get to the next level. Regardless of your background, if you have the drive, the motivation, the desire to succeed, we want to hear from you.
So you got to be willing to learn and have an open mind. You just can't assume you know everything, because you don't.